Modern online businesses need an idea, as scientist is quoted as saying, "If you fail to plan, you're about to fail." One of the best reasons to start out a web business is, it's easy to try to. But that ease often comes with the price of not making an idea of how you may make it work. The dynamics of online businesses are easy. The execution is what throws plenty of individuals off. Trying to form it without an idea is at the best, an uphill battle. The plan doesn't need to be an elaborate business plan. Keep it simple by specifying the sort of individuals you're targeting, your ideal customer, and what form of products you're visiting offer. Come up with a listing of social media platforms that will fit with what you're trying to sell. Determine what marketing channels you're visiting. Implement. It should be content creation for your website, videos, instructional material, etc. Don't rule out traditional offline methods like junk mail and flyers. These still work better than the majority realize. Whatever methods you select, ensure you track your efforts. If you don't know where your sales are coming from, you won't be ready to increase spending on those methods. And you may even be spending an excessive amount of money on channels that don't seem to be as effective. Another common problem when it involves planning isn't knowing what you would like to try to become successful in your online business. Once you first start out, you won't have enough experience to work out the simplest path to execute. If this is often the case, find a certified program or mentor to urge you on course. You'll opt to use this just long enough to return up with an idea, otherwise, you can continue so you learn the acceptable methods and techniques to assist you. One of the largest problems when seeking out help from others is whether or not they honestly are qualified to offer that help. Arouse some proof of what they need to be accomplished. If you get any feeling that they're not who they assert they're, don't be afraid to maneuver on. It's your money, and you don't want them jeopardizing your chances of success because of a scarcity of experience. This channel seeks to satisfy its subscribers with everything that is beautiful and unique. It also aims to publish important content in form and content. Also a channel that loves creativity. Don't forget to support me for the video and subscribe to the channel for the first time. You are here because you are sure to honor me, and activate the alerts button until you get notified of any new video the first thing that happens and be the first to see it.